Hi, my name is Jessica Kane, and I want to share with you a web app I built for exploring Michigan's threatened and endangered species in a couple of different ways. One way is to explore by county. So you want to get a list of the threatened and endangered species in a particular county. A use case for this might be an oil and gas company that wants to drill in that county and wants to see what they might need to do in order to complete an environmental impact assessment to make sure that they are not infringing on any threatened and endangered species during their drilling activities. So if they wanted to do that, they could click over here on View by County. Instructions say to click on a county. So you can say, let's say Otsego County. It comes up with a table here with a number of different species. We can say we want to look at all of them, and then we can sort on each of these columns. We can see that there is one endangered species, a Kirtland's warbler, and as you scroll down, the threatened species are down here as their state status. There's also a search bar, so you could search for particular species if you wanted to. The other way you can explore the data is view by species. So a use case for this would be somebody, maybe a researcher or a student or the general public who wants to see the extent of species and perhaps compare very quickly between species. So you can search, select animal here, and with this drop down, you could select a number of different species and kind of compare their extents as you go through. This is also an autocomplete dropdown, so we could search for Kirtland's warbler again and click on it, and there we'll see the full extent of the Kirtland's warbler. Some information here. If we click on more information, it opens up the page for that specific species in the Michigan Natural Features Inventory, which is where all of this data comes from. And of course, then you can also go to plant. So we could switch search and see their extent there. One last thing I'll show is that this is fairly mobile friendly. You can see here, again, you can search by county. It'll pop up a different way to view the data here since we can't really do a table with all the columns. Or we can go and view by species, select animal, and we'll select a random animal, and again, then you can view the extent there.